Hey lovelies, so today I am going to do a look showing you how I went from this to this, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off using my Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. Then I'm going to go in with Huda Beauty Foundation in the shade Mocha. I'm just going to buff that in. Just want a little bit more coverage, so I'm going to add a little bit more. I know you probably think I'm crazy, like more coverage. Because this foundation is literally full coverage. I always start off with a little bit and then I like to build it up. So lately I've been thinking like I really need to start getting rid of some of my makeup stuff because I have way too much, more than I actually need or use. Gradually I'm like decluttering, and hopefully by the end of the year I'll have a reasonable sized collection. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my favourite Bobbi Brown foundation stick that I use to contour, and it's this one. And it's practically finished. Oh, that's hell in it. Just gonna use that to contour and also add a bit of warmth back into my skin. There's really sometimes that I'm not really that keen on contour, and then there's days where I'm like, oh, I really need it. I'm eating too much lately. Speaking of eating, I'm on this keto diet thing and it's really hard. So I've been trying to do it so like I'm keto Monday to Friday, and then the weekend I can eat whatever I want, but I don't know if that's going to give me the results that I want by the end of the year. See how it just adds that warmth back into the skin? So I'm going to use my NARS concealer in Amande. I always pick up the finished one. Probably throw it away, to be honest. Because that one's basically finished and I can't find another concealer right now, I'm going to use this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. I'm going to use this just on like the outskirts, and then I go on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow and chin, also my forehead, just to help balance it out a little bit. That's just given like a nice natural kind of even complexion thing going on. I'm going to go onto the eyes, and then if I feel like I want a brighter under eye, I'll go add more concealer. But for now, I think we are okay. I'm not going to set it yet also. So now let's go on to the eyes. First I'm going to use my Urban Decay primer. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this bright yellow from the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions. I don't even know if they do this anymore, but I'm going to go in with this yellow here. I'm kind of just patting first. So I think I'm going to go in with the mustardy colour now. Let's give it a go. So to add some definition, I'm going to add some brown and I'm going to mix it with the black. and I'm going to focus it on the outer corner of my eye, create kind of a V. So now I'm going to add some of this blue. I think it might be kind of cool just to have a bit of a pop. And since the title of this video is Summer Blues, I mean, why not? Okay, so now just to add back some of that orange and that yellow, I'm taking my brushes that I used before just to blend into the blue because some of the colour has been lost. So I felt like it was missing a little bit of something, so I'm going to go in with this black just to add more definition and to make it a bit more smoky and a bit more glam. Okay, just to add a little bit more of a pop, I'm going into the Tarte contour palette and then adding a little bit of this highlight colour right onto my lid just to make it pop a little. Now that I'm happy with everything, I'm just going to go underneath my lash line and just do the same colours that I used on my lid onto my bottom lash line. I'm sure you guys have seen this done so many times, so you don't really need an in-depth description. Okay, so now I'm going back onto my face and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes just because I wasn't sure before if I wanted to add more concealer or not, but I think I'm happy with it. So I'm just going to set everywhere else now as well. Now going back into the eyes, I'm using my Pixie eyeliner pencil and I'm just using that in my waterline. I honestly cannot remember the last time I did this, but I wanted a little bit more definition in the eyes and a little bit more drama. I added my lashes. So now I'm going to contour my face using this Tarte palette, and this palette actually is so old. I've had it for a long time, but this is literally the first time I'm using it, and it's the Tarte times Shayla contour palette. So now I'm using it to contour my nose. So this palette is actually really good for contouring your nose. I was scared it was going to be a little bit harsh, but it actually does a really good job. I think I might be using it from now on. Okay, so now that I'm happy with everything, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Primer Water. So now I'm going to go in with my Eloise Liquid Gold highlighter, and this is honestly a really rich gold colour, and I'm just going to use it to highlight my cheekbones, as you can see that I'm doing now. Okay, since I'm wearing an off-the-shoulder dress, I thought I might be a bit extra and add some glow to my shoulders and my chest area. What is it called? Is it décolleté? Anyway, if I'm wrong, please correct me in the description box below on how to pronounce this. But yeah, as you can see, I added some moisturizer and then I added my Eloise Glow liquid highlighter, and I'm just rubbing that in together. Okay, so it's time for the lips. So for my lips, I'm using Bittersweet Lip Liner from MAC, and then I'm just going to go in with this lipstick also by MAC, and I can't remember the name, but I'm going to put it in the description box below. And that's it, you guys. Let me pop my earrings back on. Okay, my lovelies, so I think this is it done. Didn't wear blush today. I haven't not worn blush in a long time, but I think I like it. And I got my shoulders all glistening. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Honestly, I was lost at the beginning, but now I am found. I'm so cheesy, but you know you love it. Anyway, let me have another look. If you want to know what my lashes are, they're Layla Lashes by Lily Lashes. My earrings are from Topshop. My top is from New Look. So I think I did an alright job. This contour is snatched. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder because okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I actually had fun. It was weird, I was definitely confused at the beginning. But yeah, I think it turned out alright. I'm quite happy with it. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think of this look, and if you want kind of like experimental looks from me, let me know. Also, don't forget to like if you liked and subscribe. And before you go, make sure you hit that bell notification button so you can be updated for my future uploads. I don't know, I just had a brain fart just now, so don't mind me. Anyway, I'm going to go now because this wig is kind of giving me a headache. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!